Cryptocurrencies have gained significant popularity in recent years, but they come with certain complexities that can act as barriers for mainstream adoption. One of these complexities is the long and cumbersome nature of cryptocurrency addresses, which are composed of a string of alphanumeric characters. However, ENS has effectively tackled this issue by transforming these intricate addresses into user-friendly URLs. Traditionally, sending or receiving cryptocurrencies involves copying and pasting lengthy addresses, which are prone to human error. Moreover, these addresses lack any meaningful information that would allow users to associate them with a particular entity, such as a website or an individual. This lack of clarity and the potential for mistakes can be intimidating for newcomers to the cryptocurrency space. ENS addresses this challenge by offering a human-readable and memorable alternative. In this video, we will investigate Ethereum name service. I'm George from KK Technologies. With ENS, users can register and assign domain names to their cryptocurrency addresses. These domain names can resemble traditional URLs, such as mycrypto.eth, making them intuitive and familiar to users who are accustomed to navigating the web. By associating these names with their respective cryptocurrency addresses, ENS allows users to easily send and receive funds without the need to remember or type out lengthy strings of characters. The impact of ENS extends beyond simplifying transactions. It also enhances the user experience when interacting with decentralized applications, DApps, and smart contracts. Instead of relying on complex addresses, users can utilize intuitive and recognizable domain names to access various DApps. This simplification not only streamlines the process, but also instills a sense of trust and familiarity in users, making them more inclined to explore and utilize decentralized technologies. Furthermore, ENS promotes the concept of digital identity within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. By associating domain names with individuals or organizations, ENS enables users to establish a unique and easily identifiable presence on the blockchain. This has significant implications for businesses and creators who can now have their own branded domain names, reinforcing their online identity and facilitating user interaction. ENS has ushered in a new era of accessibility and usability in the cryptocurrency space. It empowers users by replacing long and convoluted addresses with memorable and recognizable domain names, reminiscent of the URLs we encounter daily on the internet. This transition to user-friendly URLs lowers the barrier to entry for new users and enhances their confidence when engaging with cryptocurrencies. The increased clarity and convenience provided by ENS not only streamline transactions, but also facilitate the adoption of decentralized technologies. As the cryptocurrency ecosystem continues to evolve, it is essential to prioritize user experience and accessibility. ENS serves as a prime example of how innovative solutions can bridge the gap between complex blockchain systems and mainstream users. By transforming cryptocurrency addresses into easy-to-read URLs, ENS paves the way for a more inclusive and user-friendly future, enabling individuals and businesses to embrace the benefits of blockchain technology with greater ease and confidence. You know how when you want to send a letter or a package to someone, you need to know their address. Well, it's a similar idea with cryptocurrencies like Ethereum. When you want to send or receive Ethereum or other tokens, you need to know the recipient's address. But these addresses can be long, confusing, and hard to remember, just like a really long jumble of numbers and letters. That's where ENS comes in. It helps make things easier by giving people a way to use names instead of those long and complicated addresses. It's a bit like having a nickname for your friend instead of calling them by their full name all the time. With ENS, people can choose their own special name, like mycrypto.eth, and link it to their Ethereum address. It's kind of like getting a personalized web address just for their cryptocurrency stuff. So instead of telling someone to send money to a long address, they can simply say, "Send it to mycrypto.eth." ENS works by using the Ethereum blockchain, which is like a big digital ledger that keeps track of all the transactions. When someone registers a name on ENS, they create a special record on the blockchain that connects their chosen name to their Ethereum address. This record is then stored securely and can be looked up by anyone who wants to send money or interact with that person's stuff. When someone wants to send money or interact with a website or app that uses ENS, They can simply type in the easy-to-remember name, like mycrypto.eth, instead of the long address. ENS takes care of looking up the right address associated with that name on the blockchain. It's like having a phone book that helps you find the right number when you know someone's name. So, in a nutshell, ENS is a system that makes it simpler and more convenient to use cryptocurrencies by letting people use easy-to-remember names instead of long and confusing addresses. It uses the Ethereum blockchain to securely link those names to the actual addresses. Just like having a nickname for your friend, ENS gives you a friendly and familiar way to send and receive cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, so your cash can go down as well as up in the blink of an eye. As always, you should never invest in something you don't understand. What are your thoughts about the Ethereum name service? Would you use or invest in it? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please tap the subscribe button